get ready. Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. It took me a fat freaking minute, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm bringing slash wearing. I'm just wearing these like mom boyfriend jeans, and then right now since I'm cold, I'm wearing this yellow hoodie. Underneath, I'm wearing, oh my goodness. Underneath, I'm wearing this crop top and then bralette. Probably just gonna wear white slip-on Vans because I wear those every single freaking day. I'm bringing my Pajala backpack. Other thing I have is some hoops. I'm bringing this jacket. I really love this jacket. I also thrifted this. It's gonna be in a haul later. It's Gymnastics East. I don't go there. I used to, so kind of counts, but I like the 90s vibes and the color blocking, so I'm gonna bring that, especially because it's probably gonna be cold. Even though it looks sunny, it's probably a lie. So excited. This is the first time I went to take photos in like 10 million years. Oh my gosh. I look shiny a heck. I am stupid. Let's... So today, I'm going to take photos with my friend because this is the first free weekend I've ever had in my life. And I'm really excited. Exciting day. Am I right, ladies? Okay, bye. Like Mexico, like on the bus. Yep. Unbelievable.
Overpriced.
Just ranting again.
Yeah. Okay. Overpriced because
this is
tofu.
Christina's veggie grill review.
Like I said, overpriced. I paid $17 for a tofu sandwich. I'm offended.
This is good stuff. We're coming out of the ground into the real world. Beautiful. Hallelujah. Do you know where we're going? Okay. Well, this is fun.
Gymnastics East, even though she didn't even train there.
Yes, I did when I was like 5. Okay, so we needed a ticket to get up here, but we didn't have one because we didn't park. So we just followed these people into the elevator, but it was worth it. Yup. Photos up here. Am I right, Lupeets? Heck yeah. Amazing. That's kind of scary. Oh shoot. No. Beautiful. Okay. Lupita. Just kidding. Oh wait, that's not that bad.
See?
I was like, So we're now leaving our first location because it's freaking cold.
Yeah,
and we're gonna go. Yeah. Now we're gonna go get coffee because we're coffee addicts, basically. I kind of screwed it up, so yeah. And Lupita already drank half of hers because she's fat, so that happened. It was cute, I swear.
This is the best lighting I've ever seen in my life.
Because Lupita wants to look at himself some more.
You know me. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Wow.
Amazing.
How'd you know? So this is mine.
Interesting.
We
Like down the
decided
street.
to go to Buffalo.
Yeah. Overpriced thrift store.
Yeah, basically.
Fine,
Okay, so update my amigas. It's really pretty and there's a really pretty sunset out, but we literally have 2 minutes till the bus comes. So we're gonna try to take some photos. See the potential. Such a
We can try.
pessimist girl. Update. I can't feel my hands, but no, it's worth it. Say it again.
Kind of loud.
Yeah,
Good photo.
just a little. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. It is like 7, but it literally feels like, I don't even know, it feels like it's midnight. I just got home and yeah, today was such a long day. It was a lot of fun though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, even though I am a booty cake of a vlogger because I just always forget to film stuff and then I'm like halfway through it and I'm like, I should have filmed. So yeah, I promise I'll get better. If you guys enjoyed, let me know. Let me know if you guys like these follow like get ready with me vlog style photo shoot thingies. If you do, just let me know and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.